My name is Bishara, and I'm going to sing the Mary Mary, which is the woman from the earth, and me. What do you want it? There will be mountains that I will have to climb, and there will be battles that I will have to fight. The victory or defeat, it's up to me to decide. But how can I expect to win if I never tried? I just can't give up now. Come too far from where I started from. Nobody told me the road would be easy, and I don't believe he's brought me this far to leave me.